You think cash buyers want perfect properties? Wrong. Let me show you what they're actually looking for and why your problem might be exactly what they want. Most sellers think, I need to fix everything before a cash investor buyer will buy. They spend thousands of dollars getting it ready. New paint, new flooring, updated kitchen. Then the cash investor buyer walks through the house and says, why'd you do all this? I was just gonna gut it anyway. After 22 years and thousands of cash deals, I can tell you exactly what they're really looking for. Cash investor buyers make money fixing things. Your cracked foundation, man, that's an opportunity. Your outdated kitchen, that is profit margin. Your overgrown yard, that's curb appeal and equity they can create. They don't want move-in. They want a discount that reflects the work they do, so they can add value and make their return. The worse your property looks, the happier they are, as long as the price reflects reality. I just sold a property with no furnace, leaky roof, peeling paint that could not even pass the city of Cleveland lead inspection. A cash investor bought it, closed in 9 days. Why, you ask? The problems were priced right. Number 2, they want speed and simplicity. Cash investors hate complicated. They don't want sellers' emotion about the problem. Many have quotas and they need to flip X number of properties per year. Contingencies that extend closing? Nah, they're not interested. They want clean title, clear price, and quick close. They will overlook a lot of problems if the transaction is simple, but they will walk away from a perfect property if the seller makes things difficult. I've seen cash investors pay more for a smooth transaction than they would for a complicated one, even if the second property was in better shape. Number 3, honest numbers. Cash investors run the same calculation on every property. Price, repair costs, after repair value, and their profit margin. If the price doesn't leave enough room for their profit margin, they're gone. But here's the secret. Most of them will rather pay a fair price for an honest disaster than overpay for a property pretending to be perfect. Show them everything that's wrong. Give them access to repair estimates if you have. Be transparent about tenant history, neighborhood issues, whatever that may be. Just let them know. They'll respect that way more than a fresh coat of paint covering problems. Here's how to sell to a cash investor. Stop fixing things they don't care about. Stop hiding problems they're going to find out anyway. Stop making the transaction complicated. Instead, price it for what it is. Problem in all. Make the deal simple and fast. Be completely transparent about condition. Get out of the way and let them do their thing. Cash investors are looking for one thing: a property where the numbers work. If you've got a Cleveland property with problems and you're trying to make it perfect before selling, you're wasting time and money. Click the link. Let me show you how to price and position your property for cash investors who actually want what you've got. Because in their world, your problem aren't liabilities, they're opportunities. So get with that.